This homemade mixture gets rid of weeds faster than you think. You only need a few simple ingredients to get rid of weeds without constantly pulling them out by hand. It works especially well in places that are hard to reach or where regular weeding takes too much time. The first ingredient is salt, which helps dry out weeds and limit their further growth. Add about 5 tablespoons of salt to a large bowl. This will help unwanted plants gradually weaken and dry out. Next, pour in about 1 cup of red dish soap because it sticks well to weed leaves and makes the mixture work even more effectively. The next ingredient is vinegar, which helps weaken unwanted plants thanks to its acidity. Measure out about 1 cup of vinegar and add it to the other ingredients. Then pour in about 2 cups of water. Mix everything very thoroughly so all the ingredients combine well. Prepare an empty bottle and carefully pour the finished liquid into it. Then take the cap and use a heated tool to make several small holes in it so you can easily pour the liquid over the weeds. Screw the cap back on and your homemade solution is ready to use. Pour it over spots in the garden, especially between pavers, along paths, and wherever weeds appear most often. After some time, you will notice the weeds starting to dry out, and your garden will look much cleaner and neater. Apply it only to specific spots so you don't damage other plants. This will protect your plants from pests. No chemicals needed. Just one plant can help eliminate the problem from your garden. It helps fight aphids, thrips, and fruit flies, and also protects against powdery mildew and other fungal diseases. Common tansy grows wild, often found along roadsides and ditches. It's often mistaken for a weed, but it's actually a very useful plant. To make a natural spray, grab a large bucket and add about 10 ounces of fresh tansy. Tansy acts as a natural repellent. Its strong scent drives insects away. Pour in about 2.5 gallons of water and stir well. But don't stop there. Cover the bucket with a trash bag and let it sit for 24 hours in a shady spot. After that, prepare a garden sprayer. Dilute the mix with water in a 1:2 ratio. On hot days, spray in the early morning or evening. Use it on vegetables, fruit trees, and shrubs, especially those attacked by aphids, thrips, or fruit flies. It really works. And there's more. Tansy spray also helps prevent fungal diseases like powdery mildew. Use it once a week and your garden will thank you. Nourishing smoothie for peonies and hydrangeas. Your garden will overflow with blooms, and it's made from ingredients you usually throw away. The first ingredient, banana peels. They're a natural elixir packed with everything your flowers need to grow strong and healthy. They boost blooming and plant immunity. Peel 2 bananas and toss the peels into a blender. Next, add eggshells, full of calcium, magnesium, and potassium to support root development and strengthen stems. Throw in a few shells. Now add coffee grounds, a real treat for plants. Rich in nitrogen, they promote leafy growth and improve soil structure. Add 5 tablespoons of dried grounds to the blender. Pour in 1 liter of water to bring everything together. Blend for about 2 minutes until smooth. You've just made an all-natural, eco-friendly liquid fertilizer. Store it in an airtight container. Water your peonies and hydrangeas with it once a week, and they'll reward you with lush, vibrant blooms. It's like a home spa treatment for your garden. Just a tablespoon of this, and the weeds will dry up like they've been treated with the strongest herbicide. It destroys the entire plant, even down to the roots. When you spot them on the pavement in front of your house, you'll definitely want to get rid of them as quickly as possible. This method contains no harmful ingredients and is very affordable. In a large container, pour 10 ounces of water. The next ingredient is vinegar, which blocks the growth of the weeds. Add 10 ounces of vinegar to the container. Now it's time for the red powder. It irritates the leaves and burns the plants from the inside. Add 1 teaspoon of hot red pepper. Then add 1 teaspoon of table salt. The salt enters the plant cells and draws out the water, causing them to wilt. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. This will help the mixture stick to the leaves more effectively. Mix everything thoroughly and vigorously. Strain the mixture through cheesecloth to remove small particles and get a clear liquid. Spray the weeds directly on the leaves and at the base. Within just a few hours, the plants will start wilting. They'll disappear without a trace. You won't need any store-bought chemicals anymore. This is an affordable method that really works. Spray this solution on your weeds, and they will disappear in no time. Weeds grow quickly, are hard to remove, and spoil the appearance of the garden. Fortunately, I have a method that will help you get rid of them in a flash. Prepare a larger container to easily mix all the ingredients. Start by pouring 100 milliliters of water. This will be our base. Then add vinegar for weeds, which, due to its acidic pH, effectively weakens the roots of the weeds. Now, it's time for our secret white powder, which helps quickly and effectively get rid of unwanted plants. Add 2 generous teaspoons. To make everything stick better to the plants, add 2 pumps of soap. Soap acts as a wetting agent, making the spray more effective. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until a uniform mixture forms. Now pour it into a spray bottle, screw the lid on, and you're ready to go. Spray the weeds, and within seconds, you'll see them disappear. The spray works quickly, helping you regain control over your garden. This is a natural way to get rid of weeds, as effective as chemical solutions. Weeds growing on your driveway or sidewalk? Here's a quick and natural spray recipe. The plants will disappear without the need for scraping or pulling out roots. No more hours spent on your knees yanking them out. You only need 3 ingredients you probably already have at home. Grab a small spray bottle, pour in about 10 fluid ounces of warm water, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. It doesn't kill the weeds, but plays an important role. It reduces the surface tension of the water. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt dehydrates and disrupts the water balance in the weed cells. The last ingredient is vinegar. Pour in about 2 fluid ounces. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which is harsh on plants and helps kill them quickly. Mix it all up and you're ready. Spray the weeds growing between your pavers. It's best to do this on a hot or sunny day, as the sun speeds up absorption into the soil and plants. Repeat every few days. The weeds will slowly dry out and die. No more pulling by hand, just spray and let the mix do the work. Just a drop, and weeds will instantly dry out, killing the entire plant down to the roots. It's the fastest and most effective weed killer I know. When weeds appear on the driveway or garage, you'll want to get rid of them quickly. This spray is perfect for that. Simply spray it on the weeds and you're done. It's non-toxic, inexpensive, and eliminates the need to manually pull weeds. The spray will eradicate the entire plant, roots and all. To make the spray, mix about 500 milliliters of water with 1 tablespoon of salt until dissolved. Then add 200 milliliters of vinegar and mix again. Transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. Shake well before use. For best results, apply on a sunny day to maximize the drying effect on the weeds. You'll see them dry out quickly. Once they're dry, removing them is a breeze. This simple yet highly effective vinegar and salt spray will safely handle your weed problem.